welcome to Dodls Live. My name is Claudia, and if it is the first time you are joining us, we come on live every day and show you guys tutorials about the Dodls app. If you don't have access to the app yet and you're wondering, how can I get access? I really want to make a dodl. Just go to the link in our profile, fill out those quick 5 questions, and then within about 48 hours, you'll receive an email getting you access to the app in beta right now. There aren't a lot of people who know about us yet, so you want to be one of the first people who can say, I knew dodls when it was still in beta testing. Alright, as always, we take questions, comments, concerns while we're here on live. So if you guys have any questions about the app, about features, issues with beta, let us know and we'll respond to you live. And you can always shoot us a DM so we can get back to you at a later time too. And so I didn't do a dodl based on a suggestion today. What I did, you guys didn't see, I put up in our Instagram story and I said mermaids or unicorns. I had you guys vote. And when I last checked, unicorns were winning 58% to mermaids, whatever the math is for that other percent. And so I decided to make a unicorn dodl. So I think that's what I'm going to do from now on, you guys. I'm going to put up a poll in the Instagram story and I'm going to have you guys vote on one thing out of the 2 things, and whichever one is winning when I check, that's the dodl I'll make for our live stream. So make sure that you go to our Instagram story every single day and vote, so then that way maybe the one that you want wins and I can make that. Alright, that's enough talking. Let's get started on the tutorial. Alright, so I made a little unicorn, guys. This is what I have for the animation so far. If you guys can see the horn, if you will, is like moving colors. So that's what I have for the animation so far. I'll play that one more time for you guys. Look at those colors go. I love it. All right, and what I'm going to do next is I am going to animate different parts of the unicorn. So I'm going to click on its ear. I think that's what it is. Yep, that's the ear. So what I'm going to do is have that rotate. I'm going to move that rotation point again. So I want it to rotate from the base of the ear. Great. Let's play that. Oh, that does show off one of the blocks I have hiding up there, you guys. All right, so what I think I'm going to do is recreate that rotation and have it go this way instead. Great. That's almost as long as the entire dodl. Let's play it. Oh, looks good to me. If you guys saw that white square that came up, that's what I used to hide these colors going behind. I have all of those colors in a row, and I have them on a layer that goes through the unicorn, and then I put white over it to cover it up. So it's a lot of different layers working on here right now, you guys, but it's totally possible to do something like this where you have an animation like that. So then I'm going to go to the other ear and have that one move and rotate. These ears might look a little crazy on this unicorn, but that's all right. It's not the end of the world. Just going to say that that's golden. We're going to leave that one there. Then what I wanted to do is have the hair rotate. Let's see. And it's going to do something crazy for right now. We'll adjust that rotation point. That's really long, so I'm going to do that again. And let's see, where do I want that rotation point to go? Let's see what it looks like if I put it there. Oh, then we have the ear move away. So I think I'm going to get rid of that and just keep the ears moving rather than having the hair move there. But I can make these pieces move. All right. Hopefully that's not too boring for you guys. It's very simple, but then if we have the unicorn move into the picture. Awesome, looks good. And then I'm going to, oh, where did it go? Moved all the way over there.
I don't know why they did that, but that's okay. See, this should be over here. Bring that back. Let's see if it plays the way I want it to. Yeah, I got rid of that rotation on that piece of hair, but that's totally okay. And I kept the rotation on that hair, which I don't want. So I'm going to go in, and what you can do when you're in the animation stage, so you're in this racket, you can click the next, and it'll go through each of the items and highlight it. So then that way you can find an animation that you don't like and get rid of it. So now we should have just the ears and the horn moving. I like that a lot. I think that looks good so far. So once that's done playing, I'm going to zoom out. You guys can see I have those white squares hiding those rainbows coming out. I'm going to zoom all the way out so I can get everything. Oy, oy, oy. I'm going to drag across it. Let's see. Get everything in there. We're going to group that as a whole. And then what we're going to do is we're going to have it move into frame. Here, we'll have it start here, and we'll just have it move up and down. So I grouped this so I can move the whole thing while all of those other animations are going on. So do we have any questions so far? You guys are pretty quiet today. I know it's a Monday. Hang in there. All right. Click on this. We'll move that. Have the unicorn jump into the screen, the frame, and then jump up and down a couple of times. Great, that looks good. So let's see it. Oh, yeah. That is one happy unicorn. For those of you watching our live stream right now, please go to our latest post and comment a unicorn. It would mean a lot to us, the unicorn emoji. Thank you guys for watching so far. Do you guys have any questions at all about the animation that I just showed you, about the animating tools, about layers and hiding like the horn like I did so it would make a rainbow? Do you guys have any questions at all? Oh, thank you for the emoji with the heart eyes. That's so sweet. Oh, thanks for all the love. We love you guys.
All right, well, it doesn't seem like you guys have any questions for me. Again, we do have a question?
How is the unicorn thing going?
The unicorn thing going, as a company, you saw our latest post. Well, we are...
Are you asking about the horn, how it's moving?
Or are you asking about our latest post of, like, becoming a unicorn company? Yeah. We just need some clarification on how to answer your question. But to answer your question about how the horn is changing colors, what I did is I created different squares of different colors, Roy G. Biv. I stacked them on top of each other, and then I put them in a row and grouped them. And then I moved them as an animation up behind the cone that I drew for the horn. And then I used white squares to cover up the areas that I didn't want to see. So it hid everything except for right inside of that horn. So then that way you could see it rotating through that. I hope that makes sense. And as far as us becoming a unicorn company, that is in the works. Dodls is valued at a couple $1 million right now, but our goal is to be valued at $1 billion. So we need lots of love, lots of encouragement, lots of investments. And thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching and learning about the app and trying to make your own dodls, because that means that you support us, and that means we are getting closer to that goal every single day. If you guys don't have access to the app and want to start making your own dodls, please go to that link in our bio and fill out those questions, and you'll get an email soon. If you are currently in beta and you're making dodls, please send them to us, because we do want to see what you're making. So you can take a screen recording, you can export it as a GIF, and then convert that GIF into a video. Either way, we need it as a video file rather than a GIF file. But we want to see the dodls that you're making, so send them to us in a DM. Use the hashtag dodls. So then that way we can give you a shout out and thank you for using our app so far. We also really love you guys' feedback that you give us. So if there's something you really like about the app, please let us know. If there's a feature you'd like to see, let us know that as well. Our developers are working tirelessly day and night trying to add more fun things to the app, but we'd always love your feedback on things you'd like to see. If you have any issues within the app, we want to know about those as well. Do you guys have any last minute questions for me? No? All right. Well, thank you so much for joining our live stream today. You guys are so important to us, and everything we do for you guys. So please go and vote in our Instagram story every single day. If you go to our profile, you can turn on post notifications, and that way you'll get a notification every time Dodls posts something. You can be the first person to see it. Go and comment on our latest post with a unicorn emoji so we can give you a little extra love. And I hope to see all of you guys again at noon tomorrow when we go live. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Bye.